Oil. Anybody want oil? There's oil right here. I give you very good price. Oil? Where'd you get that oil? I used to be part of the FBI, and I stole it. I sell to you for very good price. I don't think you understand. That's my oil. That's it. Aha! Ah! FBI, open up! Freeze! Sit down. All right.
Better tell me where that oil came from.
At your mom's house.
Oh, punk. Using your mom in a combat scenario is a violation of the Geneva Convention. Kill him! Scum. Good. That's what we came for. He got away.
I lost my hat.